What if lowering your electricity costs wasn't just about using less power, but about understanding how energy works in your home? With rising utility bills and growing concerns about power outages, more homeowners are searching for practical ways to improve home energy efficiency, explore DIY energy projects, and become less dependent on the grid. That's why programs like Home Power Shield are getting attention, instead of selling a ready-made device. Home Power Shield is presented as a digital DIY guide that provides step-by-step instructions for building a compact energy project using flywheel-inspired concepts and commonly available parts. It's designed for people who enjoy hands-on projects and want to learn more about alternative energy ideas. Actual performance depends on the build, materials, and how the system is used. Beyond the project itself, the guide also introduces concepts related to renewable energy, energy independence, backup power planning, and smarter energy habits. For many people, learning these skills is just as valuable as completing the project. If you're interested in DIY renewable energy, energy-saving ideas, home energy projects, or simply want to explore practical ways to understand your electricity use, Home Power Shield may be worth learning more about. You can find additional information in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's one change you've made to improve your home's energy efficiency?